hope everyone is having the best day. I'm so excited because today we are going to have a look at some farm animals. I just love going to farms. Let's go! Cow. Cows can see almost 360 degrees around them without moving their heads. Sheep. Sheep have excellent memories and can remember familiar faces and places for years, making them very smart and social animals. Pig. Pigs are actually very clean animals. They prefer to have separate areas for eating, sleeping, and going to the bathroom. Hen. Hens have a special way of communicating with their chicks even before they hatch. They make clucking sounds and gentle movements to help their chicks learn and bond with them. Goat. Goats are excellent climbers and have incredible balance. Horse. Horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal, giving them excellent vision, especially in low light. Donkey. Donkeys have a strong work ethic and thrive on mental and physical stimulation, but they also need time to rest and recharge. Dog. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, with some breeds being able to detect scents up to 100,000 times better than humans. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They have a special oil on their feathers that acts like a raincoat, keeping them dry even in the water. Rabbit. Rabbits have teeth that never stop growing. They need to chew on lots of grass and hay to wear them down. Farms are so important because it grows the food that we eat every day. Farmers take care of plants and animals on farms to make sure we have fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, and meat. Farms help feed people all around the world so we can stay healthy and strong. To all the farmers out there, big and small, thank you for your hard work. See you next time.